Have you ever seen groundnut flowers and how these turn into groundnuts? I will teach you the end-to-end process of growing them. Soak the groundnuts in water for about 3 to 4 hours. Wrap them in a tissue paper and put them in a box. In about 3 to 4 days, your groundnuts will germinate and they are ready to be planted now. For a detailed video about the entire process of germination of seeds and preparation of soil with planting of seeds, see the links in the description box below. In about 5 days, you can see the plants have started showing up. This is a pretty fast growing plant, so the greens come up quite quickly. You can see the peanut we planted has turned green, opened up with beautiful leaves and stem coming out of it. Make sure to keep the soil loose while potting. They have grown about 2 inches, which is quite significant. In just 2 more days, a big difference in size is seen. That's the beauty of these peanut plants. Groundnuts are sun-loving plants, so direct sunlight is a must for healthy growth. They also need lots of water, so make sure to water them every day. Don't overcrowd your pot, as peanut or groundnut plant needs a lot of space for the fruit to develop. So plant them in wide or rectangular pots with at least 6 to 8 inches of gap in between. It has been nearly a month since our seeds were planted. Due to pigeons eating the leaves, I had placed it in a corner and they were not getting enough sunlight. So the overall growth was hampered. As you can see, there are only a couple of flowers. I had simultaneously planted more peanuts in another pot at my parents' place, and this pot gets plenty of sunlight and is safe from birds. You can see the difference in growth between 2 pots. Now getting to the most interesting part, the flower of the groundnut. These are self-pollinating flowers which last for a single day. They will droop down in the evening. This process is called pegging. It's a very unique process specific to groundnuts. The flower that droops down is the ovary and is called a peg. The peg enlarges and grows down and away from the plant, forming a small stem which extends to the soil. The peanut embryo is in the tip of this peg, which penetrates the soil. The embryo turns horizontal into the soil surface and begins to mature, taking the form of a peanut. The plant continues to grow and flower, eventually producing some 40 or more pods. From planting to harvesting, the growing cycle of a peanut takes 4 to 5 months. I really hope you liked our video and learned a lot about how to grow groundnuts. We will soon be making a video on how to harvest them, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you can also learn from that. In the meantime, please share pictures of the groundnuts you try to grow on our Instagram page, Get Set Green. Until next time, keep growing.